this video will show you how to export words from Readlang and import them into the popular flashcard app Anki. It's partly in response to Compassionate Lang on Twitter, who says, not enough precise info on how to export to Anki, had to go surfing around and then fiddle. Some of that was having to fiddle with Anki, as I've never created cards from a spreadsheet, so had to figure out how to put more than one field on a side, etc. Well, luckily you don't have to bother with spreadsheets at all, because the file exported from Readlang will be directly importable by Anki. Before I go into the details, I just want to mention quickly that you can use flashcards directly on Readlang itself. The way it works is it will present you with the sentence that you encountered the word in, with a blank gap where the word you're learning is, and you will have to guess what it is given the English. So I should try to guess here what this Spanish word is, and I think it's hacia adelante. And then I say whether I remembered. Yes. This one, eso dijo, maybe. I can go to another example in which I've encountered this word. Hagrid nunca le dijo. I think it's dijo. Diría. Okay, so I didn't quite get that. Almost. Okay, well, there you get a rough idea of how the Readlang flashcards work. But perhaps you prefer Anki for some reason. Perhaps you're a long-time Anki user and have made many decks and want to continue using that. I just want to get some of your Readlang words into Anki, and I'll show you how to do that now. First, you'll go to the word list tab that I've just clicked on and decide which words you want to export. I'm on all words, and to export all my words, I can click the checkbox to select all the ones on this page, followed by this select all 7,034 words, which are all the words and phrases in my library. Or I can opt to select just a selection of my words. For now, I think I'm going to concentrate on just learning those words that came from the Harry Potter book. In this list here, you'll see all the texts from which I have 10 or more words and phrases translated. So let me click Harry Potter. So this shows me all the Harry Potter words, 1,376 of them. I'll select all the words on this page and further select all words in the book. Then I'll click on Actions, then Export, and you can leave these default settings as they are, and it all works. If you like, you can rearrange stuff here. For instance, maybe you want to add the date that you encountered the word, and it'll give you an example here of how that looks. Doesn't look very pretty at the moment. But I'll get rid of that and just leave it exactly as it was. So you don't have to touch anything here. All you have to do is click this button, Export File. There it is, the file getting exported. Now I'm going to open the Anki app by pressing Command Space on my Mac and typing Anki, followed by Enter. Now here's Anki. It's completely empty. I'm not really an Anki user. I just know enough to be able to import some words and practice some cards. So what I will do is click Import File and choose the file that I've just exported, which is this top one. Click Open and ensure that it says Fields Separated by Tab, and then click Import, and there we go. All my notes have been added. Click Close. And to start practicing my new words in Anki, click Default there and Study Now. And there we go. It doesn't look quite as pretty as the Readlang interface, in my opinion, but it allows you to do the same thing. So in this case, the word that I need to try to guess in Spanish is this one, do. So ni lo obligaban Hacer nada ni le gritaban. I think it's hacer that should be there. No. I'll show the answer. And I'm right, it's hacer. So I'll say that was easy. Okay, said again. Tosió y dijo. I'll try again. Dijo. Okay, yeah, that was good. I'm not going to give myself easy because I wasn't quite sure whether the accent went on the O or if it didn't have an accent, so I'll just say good. Porque no los tenía... No los... si realmente era un mago. ¿Por qué no los había o habían? Había, sí. Easy. Okay, there you go. There you get the idea. I hope that's useful. I'm sure I'm missing out a lot of queries that hardcore Anki users will have. So if there's any awkwardness that happens when you've already got a lot of words in your Anki library and you want to incorporate your Readlang ones or any other things that I'm missing, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to address them. Okay, thanks.